I got my first job at Bentley through a Bentley competition. So I joined the Bentley design team in Crewe, and then worked on a number of projects at Bentley, different typologies, different vehicles. Again, a great team. Many of my former colleagues became good friends. It's a very small design team, and because you're part of such a small team, you can be involved to a higher degree, right? You're much more required to be an all-rounder than a specialist. I think you really have to apply yourself. At times you have to use alias, or you have to help out with light design or wheels, where in a larger team, usually a specialist designer would do these things. In smaller teams, you can be, it's more diverse in terms of tasks that you have to do. Bentley has given me a lot of automotive design tools. My first tape renderings, first time working together with clay modelers and alias modelers, and having to communicate how my design is constructed and how it works and how I want it to work, and trying to verbally and visually communicate the vision that I have in my head to a very high level. At Bentley then, we were asked to chip into a Bugatti design project, and I was lucky enough that my proposal was one of the chosen ones. So then within the Volkswagen Group, I transferred from Bentley to Bugatti, and I spent more or less 2 years at Bugatti, working across different studios of the Volkswagen Group in England, in Germany, in Spain. I think to Bugatti, I have to say, is an even smaller team and an environment where you work so closely together with such highly talented individuals. It just pushes yourself to a better you. You have to be able to compete, right? You push each other to a higher level, working alongside each other. And the brand demands such a high level of resolution and sophistication and quality. And it just gets enforced in every single level, in every single detail, which it's very exciting. I mean, having the daily contact with these products as well, it's just an experience which is outstanding, I think, for a young designer. And then also being able to travel with the brand quite a bit throughout the Volkswagen Group and see different studios, and you're obviously not presenting, but just seeing the presentation process and how your superiors communicate group internally and how the whole process works. That was quite exciting for me.